Monkey, we're having performance problems, bro. I was having huge issues last time I recorded when that's unacceptable, bro. I know, that's how I felt. So here's what we do, right? First of all, Monkey, right? We're gonna go to settings, right? And developer and performance graph. Alright? And then go ahead. See, Monkey? Right now, you're only using 7.2 of 11 milliseconds for 90 hertz, right? What that is every 11 milliseconds we need to make a frame for it to be 90 frames a second for it to work. So let's see if we can replicate the problem, Monkey. Alright? Right. Continue. Yeah. Okay. Exo, come here. I need you, bro. I need you, bro. Right? And rabbits. Come too, just in case. Right. Alright, we have performance issues. Let's see if we can replicate it. Alright, so far so good. Alright. Oh, look, there's bullets I missed. Get it, Laura. Give me it. Alright. Okay, this is where I'm having problems, bro. Okay. I need to get in this room! Holy crap. Okay. Oh, snap! Back up, bro! I'm gonna figure something out! Huh. There we go. Yeah, I am having some kind of issue. Let's see if we can fix this. Hold on, bro. Alright. Yeah, something's going on. Let's see here. No. How do I get... Oh, settings is here. Preferences. Options. Graphics. Right. Change this to low. Alright. That. Is that fixing it? We're still having performance issues. Let's see something here. Preferences. Options. Graphics. Medium. Additional lighting. Okay. Okay. It just really doesn't like this room. I wonder why. I wonder what it is. Okay. Damn. That is crazy. I'm still having issues. Let's see. Scenes. No. Preferences. Options. Graphics. Still having the same issues. Huh. I wonder what it is. Alright, well in that case... Preferences. Graphics. Medium. Enabled. Okay. Save. Boom. I mean, I still have the weird, doesn't like the room. But our performance is good. This is what you're looking for, folks, right here. Right? Okay. It just doesn't like this room. And the rest of the time, we're doing real good. Like, we're doing real good. Okay. Yeah, we're doing fantastic. I'm running this game lower than I need to normally. Okay, let's go check out Monkey. Monkey! I didn't really figure it out, Monkey. It just doesn't like the room. My performance is great. Oh, right now it's not, because you're doing the whole monkey leg thing. But, see, that's the kind of stuff you have to watch out for right there, folks. Right, those are those 1% lows and stuff. But that's how I do it, right? I go to a demanding area, like the final boss fight or something, if I have that, the save file. I go somewhere demanding and I start messing with the settings, right? I found out I'm fine. It's just for some reason it just doesn't like that rain room. I don't know why. I don't know why, Monkey. I don't get it. So, my name is My Love, right? That's how I diagnose my computer problems. And I found out I just have to deal with it. Because I don't know what the hell is going on. Right. Just in case you're wondering, I'm running a RTX 3070, a Ryzen 5800X, 32 gigs of dual channel DDR4, PC 3200 or whatever. Right. And I can play VR. I just can't run that room for some reason. But with that, I wish y'all a good night. Let me go get the headset. Alright. Come here, bro. Get to work. Monkey does all the heavy lifting. Ready? Cool. Good job. Alright, well, that's how it is. It's good enough. I can record tomorrow. Alright. Cool. This is more demanding than Boneworks. Okay. I'm satisfied.